Many of us are into cooking and eating delicious foods. A good meal is a perfect bonding experience that'll link families and groups. That's why fast and efficient cooking will help save you time that you can spend with having those meals with your family. Value in cooking time also means that you should level up your kitchen equipment, which includes your induction range. It'll greatly help you escalate your cooking time without compromising the quality of your food. An induction range is a form of a cooktop which uses an electromagnetic field in heating the pan, but it still keeps the cooking surface cool. It's one of the characteristics of an induction range that any gas or electric stove cannot do. Stay tuned as we bring you the top 5 induction ranges fit for you. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all of these items for you. If you want to check out the best prices and get more information about the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. And now, let's start. At number 1 is the GE Profile 5.3 cubic foot smart slide-in induction range with self-cleaning. Cooking has never been this high-tech, and this induction range from GE operates with 3,700 watts, conveniently cooking and heating food faster than usual. Adjust the heat temperature by simply touching the gliding controls. It's also Wi-Fi compatible, so you can efficiently control and monitor your cooking right from your smart device. It offers a lot of features that you'll surely enjoy. It has a fit guarantee, which means if you have an old 30-inch GE freestanding range and you want to replace it with a new GE slide-in model, they assure you that this new model will fit exactly like the old one. It has standard criteria as well that you can review first. The induction range is engineered with induction cooktop technology, so you'll experience fast, innovative, and efficient cooking. The 11-inch 3,700 watt induction element is powerful enough to heat water in just a matter of 100 seconds, but gentle enough with delicate sauces. With the two 8-inch 2,500 watt synchronized elements, you can simultaneously heat with large cookware. The Chef Connect feature is an easy way to make it work with 3 options. The self-cleaning feature, where the long-lasting racks and oven can be cleaned at the same time. The true European convection with precise air delivers accurate heat circulation to ensure your heavenly baked food is evenly cooked. In just one touch, you can softly close the storage drawer easily. At number 2, we have the Cafe 6.7 cubic foot slide-in double oven electric induction convection range. Cook various dishes with this innovative and flexible induction range, which you can use to simmer, bake, and cook. It's a 5-burner induction with 2 convection ovens that operate independently. It's equipped with a gourmet guided cooking technology, so you can create a gourmet quality meal which requires temperature and time adjustments. It delivers 100 to 3,000 watts to achieve all of your cooking requirements. The ceramic cooktop surface assures that you'll have a sturdy design. Its black finish perfectly blends well to any kitchen interior. This induction range's secret to fast cooking and flavorful results is the convection technology, where the air circulates throughout the oven. The oven can accommodate 1 or more dishes in 2 separate ovens. The upper oven stands at 2.4 cubic feet, while the lower part stands at 4.3 cubic feet. It allows simultaneous cooking of 2 different dishes at different temperatures. The upper oven heats up in a matter of 5 minutes. It also has safety features, which are the self-clean oven door lock and control lock. The package has no included electrical cord, it is sold separately. Its various functions are Sabbath mode, timer, timed bake, hidden bake element, delay bake option, and delay clean option. Well, what do you think of our first 2 choices? Keep watching because we still have more to come. Before we proceed, we'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. And now, back to our list. At number 3 is the Frigidaire 30-inch 5.3 cubic foot electric range. This induction range is perfect for cooking for large groups. It features an extra 12-inch element which can hold bigger pots and pans. The 3000-watt power burner is convenient enough to heat water faster. It has 100 watts of power in the warming zone, which aims to maintain your food at warm temperatures until they're ready to be served. Its durable ceramic cooktop has 4 cooktop elements. It can provide 100 to 3000 watts to meet your requirements. Cleaning it has never been easier with this induction range thanks to its self-cleaning option. It saves you time from scrubbing after cooking. The 5.3 cubic foot single oven allows you to cook meals for large groups in quick time. The control for the oven function can be found at the rear panel. This freestanding range type is made of stainless steel, which assures durability and long-term use. Among its other special features are the digital and clock display, power on indicator, and oven light. The functions it highlights are a timer, time bake, and delay bake. The time bake allows you to preset your schedule for baking to prevent overcooking. It ensures that you get the best quality and the taste you want to achieve. It automatically turns off at the given time. The delay bake option gives you the freedom to do your other routines and program your baking to run at a later time. Let it preheat and conveniently do the job for you. We always love to hear what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down any comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our last 2 products. At number 4 is the Samsung Flex Duo 5.8 cubic foot slide-in double oven electric range. This induction range is ideal to use if you have a party or important events at home. You can cook multiple dishes all at once with its 5 separate burners and 3 oven racks, which are 2 wire and 1 split rack. The bridge burner is perfect for cooking with large pots and pans. The triple burner is recommended for instant boiling to simmering. This induction range is engineered with a Flex Duo system in which you can create 2 separate ovens by using the Smart Divider middle hinged double door. With both sides, you can adjust the temperature that's required. In a way, you'll be able to cook 2 meals at the same time. The blue LED controls are for safety monitoring. Even if you're not next to the oven, you can clearly see the blue LED control light indicating it's in operation. If the cooktop's on, the knob controls light up. Control your range from your smartphone with the app that you can freely download whether you have iOS or an Android device. You can control your oven and cooktop remotely, which is definitely a convenience. The slide-in design of this range displays no required remodeling. It's sleek and fits in any cabinetry. The guiding light controls allow you to program your favorite recipes, temperatures, and settings. This item is equipped with a temperature probe where you can keep tabs on cooking your meat or poultry without the hassle of frequently opening the door. You can see the current temperature with the built-in probe. The dual convection works best as its fan distributes even heat so that you can cook or boil water faster. The warming drawer is a great place to store and keep your warm food as they're maintained at an ideal temperature. You'll also surely love your cooked meals hot and fresh. Save time and energy from cleaning your oven after hours of cooking, as this range has a self-cleaning capability. This technology uses steam and is the best way to clear out food and grease left in the interior. At number 5 is the KitchenAid 7.1 cubic foot slide-in induction range with self-cleaning convection oven. This slide-in range is stainless steel and requires an electrical power source. It features a bridge element for various cooking options. It offers 1800 watts to 3600 watts of power for you to achieve your cooking requirements, and you can combine its cooking surfaces to enable you to cook with larger pots and pans. The Even True Heat convection technology allows you to cook food evenly and achieve the best results. With a 7.1 cubic foot large capacity, you'll definitely finish cooking one meal in an instant. The baking drawer is a great place to store your cooked meals waiting to be served hot and fresh. It keeps the food at a warm temperature. With this range, have peace of mind when making dishes as you can monitor your meal's progress through the oven light and window, which offers clear visibility. With the help of a wireless probe, you're able to monitor the internal heat of what you're cooking. Cleaning is also a walk in the park thanks to its AquaLift self-cleaning technology. There you go, the top 5 induction ranges for you. Whichever one you choose to get based on your standards, we hope you found our list helpful and will provide the perfect option for your kitchen and cooking standards. If you found something that passed all of your preferences, check the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Let us know too if there's a product you have in mind you'd like to see us review in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions and our research team will do their best to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon, and to become part of our growing community, hit the subscribe button. By doing so, you'll get the chance to see even more of our videos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching us here at the ReviewTube channel.